Let's explore what we have come to call our higher self or higher power. It can be understood as your soul, something deeply enmeshed with the sacred radiance of light creation, yet differentiated, interlaced with an individual's life path or journey. I want to guide you towards doing what no one can guide you towards. To know and trust the guidance of your soul, ultimately to trust that life contains everything you need to realize your soul's purpose. But how can you actually begin to have a real and powerful connection, a communion with your soul, in a way that actually manifests and shifts atoms in the physical world, your life? Countless people end up searching for a form of enigmatic guidance that knows what's best, which way to go, what to do and what not to do. More like the voice of God or of divine being, as depicted in ancient texts or mythologies and legends. But in the incessant static belching out from every orifice of our culture, how can we even distinguish such a thing from all the other noise and detritus? All the indoctrination, educationing, conditioning and demands. It's obvious that mostly we cannot trust ourselves. We say we're going to do something and then we don't. We want to be kind and yet we discover a multitude of unkind thoughts drifting through our minds. Somehow we're searching for true guidance in a realm that it doesn't exist in. No matter how hard we try, it will never arise there. But I want you to consider that there is something that can easily cut through all the noise and be clearly experienced as not the product of the small anxious self, the maelstrom of thoughts and emotions. It turns out that the answer is far more simple than you may expect. You see, your higher self, your soul, has its own way of communicating, and we've been educated out of understanding it. You see, it's crucial to know that your soul is ultra alive and infused with a radiance of being that is only powered by love, the living presence of love. You see, the language your soul uses to communicate with you is meaning. Meaning is connected to the current that emanates from your soul. Meaning is such that it gives you the energy of trust. It opens you to what truly matters for you, what you bring to life in the realm of matter, the mother. You see, meaning has a vitus, a beauty, a scintilla. This is fulfilling, something that resides above and beyond fear. It points directly towards love. And you see, meaning is unique for everyone. Importantly, the true energy of meaning is not gratification. It guides you to your highest possibility, in the direction of love and away from fear. And you know deep down when it is speaking to you, you know it, you can feel it. In this, even choosing difficulty becomes love when it's connected to meaning. See that every choice you ever made that's been meaningful has led to greater love, more aliveness. See for yourself that meaning is in fact an emanation. It flows from deep inside you and at the same time surrounds you, envelops the world around you. Meaning is true joy, the kind of joy that literally lights you up. Meaning translated into the electric being of physical experience. So when you're faced with a choice, search first and ask if this action, these words I'm about to speak, are infused with the power of meaning. Practice this. It's simple at first, keep it simple, but as you continue to connect with your deepest sense of meaning, it will begin to manifest more and more through everything that you do. A life of meaning that nurtures your evolution, the evolution of everyone and everything, the emergence of a world that is moving towards love and away from fear.